Mr. Burns.
What up, buddy?
All right, you're doing the driver's side head. You're doing the hand tight. See, our passenger side's all done.
That's so pretty.
Look at that. Pretty, pretty. Oh, yeah. Snugging up the driver's side. And then you're going to go, once they're hand tight, you're going to go hand tight one more time.
And then 25, 35, 45, 65.
Yep. And then we're waiting for the timing set to show up for this. That's not going to take too long. It's supposed to be here today. So, all right, carry on. First torque wrench pass.
Yep.
25.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Coming down?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's going. All right. Heads are on. Rev Kit's in. Timing set should be here this afternoon. We can pull this. Put the right one on. That thing's grouchy. But at least it's not going zing, dude.
Yeah.
So once we get that, and I degree the cam, then I can come in and start measuring for push rods. So I can order those. Then we'll do timing cover.